Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone and hi ma'am, my name is Norazi Pasyara and today I'm going to practice some vocabulary pronunciation with 3 repetition. For the first is lecture, lecture, lecture. And next is speaker, speaker, speaker. Topic, topic, topic. And next is explain, explain, explain. And next is information, information, information. And next is audience, audience, audience. And next is example, example, example. And next is idea, idea, idea. And next is important, important, important. And next is discuss, discuss, discuss. Next is learning, learning, learning. Next is education, education, education. And next is knowledge, knowledge, knowledge. Next is student, student, student. And teacher, teacher, teacher. Understand, understand, understand. Next is explanation, explanation, explanation. And next is concept, concept, concept. And next is process, process, process. And next is method, method, method. And next is research, research, research. And next is result, result, result. And next is analysis, analysis, analysis. And next is development, development, development. And next is technology, technology, technology. And next is system, system, system. And next is theory, theory, theory. And next is parties, parties, parties. And next is problem, 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 problem. And next is solution, solution, solution. And next is improve, improve, improve. And next is skill, skill, skill. And next is ability, ability, ability. And next is experience, experience, experience. Next is opportunity, opportunity, opportunity. Next is challenge, challenge, challenge. Next is future, future, future. And next is strategy, strategy, strategy. And next is focus, focus, focus. And next is attention, attention, attention. Next is listening, listening, listening. Next is speaking, speaking, speaking. Next is communication, communication, and communication. Next is interaction, interaction, interaction. And next is explanation, explanation, explanation. Next is presentation, presentation, presentation. Next is conclusion, conclusion, conclusion. Next is summary, 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 summary. Next is message, message, message. Next is learning process, learning process, learning process. So I think that's all. Thank you for watching and listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.